para sa aking grasya. Ano ba, Grace? Ulit. Bulag.
Ay, lasing na ako bro.
Kailangan hawak ko bote.
When I go too far, you're the swimming.
Pinipigilan ko wag maiyak kasi si Nay Larry nagpapack-up na. Baka maburang aking make-up. Teka lang.
And you play it cold,
Ay, hello.
but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend.
Under the law, we are finally one today. Always yours, your wife.
Easy life. And
Boss
these
Rod.
crazy
Macho Omega.
Wow, thank you.
You make me sing. You're every line. You're every word. You're everything.
Mahal kita kahapon, ngayon, bukas at walang wakas ng panahon. Ganda sana, hindi na maintindihan eh. Ay, ano naman nasulat?
Little pillow of her. Meron pa. Oh, shirt.
You're from outer space.
Hey! Ganda, magagamit ko nga to.
Nakakayabon.
And I get to kiss you, baby, just because
Thinking of you keeps me awake. Dreaming of you keeps me asleep. Being with you keeps me alive. Yes! May ganun pa siya. Thank you, na-appreciate ko sobrang.
Crazy life. And through these crazy
Ina mo!
times,
Congratulations, happy for you. And Rose pa.
you're every
Mga
line.
konting salita lang ni Ross nun, automatic, di pa kami nakakawin, kami na nung asawa ko eh. Ganun kalupit yan.
Let's go!
Pero 4th year high school na, 3rd year high school, nagpapakarga pa. Pakargahin mo naman ako. Puta na bali!
Di ba ka gusto mo lang? Ate, ka-level mo to!
And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything.
Wow! Totoo ba to?
Every song.
Ay, ang galing. Thank you po. May receipt pa pinababayaran?
Oo, ano yan, reimbursement.
Oy!
Meron ba wala, no? Rin ba, no?
Alam mo ba?
Thank you, Tolls. Salamat, Tol. Thank you.
So la 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 la. So la 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 la.
There were bells on a hill, but I never heard them ringing. No, I never heard them at all till there was you.
I actually wrote this early this morning while watching you sleep. I realized how much of a journey those 8 years have been. In 2017, you fell in love with me. We fought against all odds and barely survived the storms. But look at us now. We finally made it. We've survived 8 years and a toddler. So I know we can survive anything, including the promises I'm about to make.
There were birds in the sky, but I never saw them winging. No, I never saw them at all till there was you.
Sabi ko kasi sa'yo, hindi ako magsusulat ng vows. I usually know what to say dahil I've given many speeches in my life. Marami na akong hinarap na tao, marami akong pinagsalita ang crowd. Pero pinakamahirap kasi isulat yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. I guess what I'm trying to say is I'm overwhelmed by you. sobrang overwhelmed ako kung gaano kabuting asawa, kung gaano kabuting magulang, nanay kay Kulog. Pero hindi pa rin nawawala kung gaano kabuting anak, gaano kabuting kapatid, sa iyong mga kaibigan. Hindi nawawala eh. Ikaw ang pinaka-consistent na taong nakilala ko.
Stay what you are. Kung ano yung inumpisahan yung mag-asawa, yun na yun hanggang dulo.
Siyempre, yung pagmamahal, mahalin nyo ng buo at tapat yung isa't isa.
So, I think we complement each other dahil she made me a better person. And I'd like to think na naging mas mabuting tao rin siya dahil sa akin.
And there was music.
For better or for worse, through the thick and through the thin, I'll protect the life we built and the family we're in. I'll be the light that guides you and remind you every single day that you are more than enough. I'm your one call away, your partner, and your wife.
From the very moment na nakilala kita in 2017, hindi ka nagbago. Walang magbabago. I promise to stay faithful. I promise to be with you through ups and downs, to make God the center of our relationship.
No, I never heard it at all till there
Of course, family first before anything else. Congrats.
Thank you.
Nasa tamang lalaki na ang aking anak.
Alam ka naman magiging masaya ka forever kasi meron kang magandang family.
Ang gusto ko lang sabihin is, wag mo munang sundan si Kulog.
Kung ang isa'y mainit ang ulo, huwag mo sasalubungin. Lahat nadadaan sa usapan.
Palagi silang magiging tapat sa isa't isa. Lagi at palagi ako narito. Ganun din sa kuya mo. Pareho kayo, lahat kayo ay mahal ko.
No matter where life takes us, know that I love you in every universe. Just like Rachel said to Ross, you are my person. You are the one I want to do life with, the one I want to grow old with, and the only one I want to come home to. Thank you for being my heart and my home. I love you 3,000.
there was love
I love you.
all around.
More than I can say, more than you'll ever know. And I love our little one. And I promise to be with you forever and always. And after this lifetime, I love you.
Till there was you.